Hey guys,
Hey
today
guys.
it's me and my little brother, and we're going to be doing a Nerf War Olympics. And as you can see behind us,
There's so much cups.
there's cups set up. So we're going to have to range from a gun. We each get 3 rounds on each gun to see how many cups we can knock over in a minute. In 15 seconds. So let's get started. So I'll be up first. We have our scavenger Nerf gun. This is from the zombie ones. So here we go. That's one. Sorry. All right, now we're gonna go on to this gun. Okay. Now the tiny one. Alright, almost, guys. Okay, now it's my little brother's turn. So Carson, you ready? Okay, go there. Okay, let me set the cups back up. Three, two, one, fire. Okay, that's number one. Okay, this is the second shot. Almost. Okay, here's his third shot. Almost. Okay, move on to the tiny gun. Okay, one more shot. Let's see.
Can I get a little bit closer?
No. It jammed. Okay, that counts. So, next one is the pyramid stack. Okay, so Carson, come here. This is going to be the pyramid stack, guys. Okay, here we go. Pyramid stack.
Hey guys.
See, where's the other cup? There it is. Thank you, Carson. All right, guys. So,
Another cup's on the road.
yep, get that one. All right. So I'll be going first. If I can knock it down, you only get one shot. So if I can knock down all the cups, that means I win. Okay, guys.
Well, if I do, I win too.
Are y'all ready?
Yeah.
All right. Let's have a background so that when they fall, they don't make that much noise. Okay, guys. Here we go. And 3,
2, 1, go. Can I turn now? Oh, she didn't knock all of them down.
so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I got 14, 16 cups. So let's see if Carson can do better than that, okay? All right, Carson, go over there and get ready. everything set up. Okay, go ahead and cock your gun. Is that enough? All right. And one
More.
more. Gosh, can you give me that cup right there?
There's some more.
Alright, don't give me. Alright, Carson. Take your first. Hang on. 3, 2, 1. Go. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. They didn't be tied. So guys, me and you won. No, yeah, you did. Carson got 26. So, Carson was this round. So that means I have to get shot in a place that he wants me to. Okay, Carson, it's your choice. You either want to shoot me.
No, this is good. That gun, it's tiny. It hurt. It doesn't
So
hurt.
where do you want me to shoot? All right, Carson. So I want you to come shoot me.
I want to see what's this.
Fine. All right. So his privilege is to shoot me right in the head. Okay, Carson. Oh, sorry, guys. Turn that way. Privilege is to shoot me right in the head. Okay. Here we go, guys. You ready? Here we go. All right, Carson, go right over there. And get
No,
ready.
that's harder.
Oh my gosh.
No, you can't do that. You can't hold that on
It
your
hurts, Carson, so I'm having this. Okay?
No,
You can't be that close.
that makes no
Fine,
sense.
just go.
Take it off.
No.
Take it off.
Go.
Take it off.
Go.
Fine. I can see you. Right? Go.
Okay. No, just go. Go over there and go.
It's harder.
Go. Here, ready? Oh my God. Okay, ready? Go. Oh! Oh. You. Oh, you meanie. Alright, guys. Please like and subscribe and share this video. And thank you guys for watching.
Oh yeah, dude, guys.
Bye, guys.
Mwah.
Oh, you're so annoying.